Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. Such technical approach of the Life Insurance Corporation of India that the subsequent caste certificate need not be considered, as there is no such observation or direction by this court in judgment dated 25/7/2018 in WP number 2760 of 2010, and another analogous case is not at all sustainable in the eyes of law, particularly in view of the fact that the declaration of the caste status of a person is just a declaration and the caste status is obtained by birth. Stop. Though the caste certificate issued by the district welfare officer in the state of Jharkhand was cancelled, but the same does not amount to cancellation of caste status of the petitioner, which stood subsequently declared by the state of Punjab on 7/8/2018. Stop. This court is of the considered view that all the consequences which flow out of issuance of such caste certificate by the state of Punjab have serious bearing on the charge sheet cum show cause notice, as the very basis of issuance of charge sheet cum show cause notice that the petitioner belongs to general category does not exist. Stop. This court is of the considered view that the authority who had issued the charge sheet cum show cause notice to the petitioner on 24/6/2010 ought to have considered the caste certificate of the petitioner dated 7/8/2018 issued to the petitioner by the state of Punjab. Stop. As a cumulative effect of the aforesaid findings, the impugned order of termination dated 30/7/2019 within bracket annexure 19, as well as the appellate order dated 24/9/2019 within bracket annexure 21 are hereby set aside only on account of non-consideration of declaration of the caste of the petitioner and consequent caste certificate dated 7/8/2018 issued in favor of the petitioner by the state of Punjab. Stop. The matter is remitted back to the original authority, namely Senior Divisional Manager LIC of India, Jamshedpur Divisional Office, Jamshedpur, for fresh consideration and for passing fresh order after considering the aforesaid caste certificate dated 7/8/2018, after giving an opportunity of hearing to the petitioner within a period of 30 days from the date of receipt of a representation along with a copy of this order. Stop. However, this court cannot lose sight of the fact that recently the intervener respondent in his individual capacity has challenged the caste certificate issued to the petitioner by the state of Punjab, and it is observed that all the legal consequences arising from the result of such challenge shall follow in accordance with law. Stop. This writ petition is allowed with aforesaid observations and directions. Stop. Over.